We're driving in the water. Holy!
So you press this until you hear a beep. That's a beep. Now I should be able to drive this like a normal car, but on the water. Tia, hold on.
Woo! Oh, this is incredible!
Woo! This was literally a car 5 seconds ago.
Yeah!
You know, I would be out there with them, but I get car sick and boat sick.
Oh, we're getting there. Oh.
Whoa! 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 Oh my God! All right, Carl! Carl!
They should not have let me drive this.
Woo! We got it, baby!
Rule number 1, stay really far away from Chris.
We're driving in circles. Ah!